Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix on your PC. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to show you two ways. If one doesn't work for you, the other might work. So I'm going to go to my Microsoft Store. Here it is right here. But if you can't find your Microsoft Store in your taskbar, you can just go to the start button and then you can search for your Microsoft Store. So mine is right here. So I'm going to click on it to open. So immediately your Microsoft Store is open. So you hover your mouse up to this search button right here, and on the search field you type in Netflix. Click on enter, or you press enter on your keyboard, and then you see this first one right here. This is the one you click. It says free, Netflix free. So I'm going to click on it. So immediately it's finished loading. The next button you are looking at is the get button. So you're going to click on the get button right here. So after clicking on the get button, your download is going to kick off. You can see it right here. It's a 2.34 megabytes application. So after your Netflix has finished installing, you are going to click on the launch button. And then here it's Netflix on your PC. So after clicking on your launch button, you are going to click on the get started. That is if you already have a Netflix account, or if you don't have a Netflix account, you can click on the sign in button right here to get started on Netflix. So that is one way to get Netflix on your PC from your Microsoft Store. So another way to get Netflix on your PC, so we're going to go to our Chrome browser, and on the search field right here, we're going to type in netflix.com. So once the site is open like this, you're going to go up to this button right here, these three dots. You click on it, and then you scroll down to more tools. You click on more tools and you click on create shortcuts. So when you click on create shortcuts, this window pops up, and then you're going to check this open as window button. Then you can change the name from whatever it is right here to just Netflix, and then you click on create. So that's it. That's how to get Netflix on your PC. If the Microsoft Store doesn't work for you, the Chrome extension or the Chrome shortcuts will work for you. And then you can see it on your desktop. It will appear on your desktop like this. So when you need to log into Netflix or watch Netflix, you click on it on your desktop, and then you can add this to your taskbar by going to your taskbar. You right click on the app right there, and then you click on pin to taskbar, or you can just simply drag from the desktop to the taskbar to pin it on the taskbar. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.